In English, we use say, tell, talk, and speak every day, but using them clearly, that's not always easy.
I said what I meant, no whisper, no hint.
Especially when emotions are involved.
Like I always do. I said I was tired, she told me to rest. We talked for an hour and spoke with no stress.
Hi, my name is Oscar from TrejoWorks, and I Said What I Meant is a song about communication that's real. It's for learners who want more than grammar, who want to say what they feel and mean what they say.
Speak from your soul. I said what I meant. No more pretend. No more pretend.
Set to the pulse of Afrobeat, this track helps you internalize the most essential verbs of expression. Say, tell, talk, and speak. Not in drill, but in moments. Moments of honesty, moments when language meets truth. The song combines rhythm, repetition, and real-life scenarios, so you don't just learn the verbs, you feel them. And the full set includes the MP3 track, a printable booklet with lyrics, grammar tips, and a reflection activity, and a subtitled video for listening and fluency training. Use it to warm up, use it to reflect, use it to practice, or just to reconnect with what language is really for. Say what you feel, speak from your soul. Download the set and let the rhythm do the teaching. Real English, real rhythm, TrejoWorks.
What you feel.